What's up everybody, my name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today's Tuesday, April 14th. Now in today's dog video, we're going to be looking into the breakout that dog just had, because now we're past a 73 million market cap, which is a major resistance level. Now what we're going to be talking about is how long is this going to last? What's important for dog in terms of its breakout? And how is dog outperforming against other meme coins? Well, this is all going to pay tribute to what we're going to be looking to in charting and analysis. And we're also going to be looking into the crazy market manipulation that happened yesterday with dog and why we just saw a major breakout of not just 14% just in the past day, but ever since yesterday, over 36%. That's crazy. So let's get right into it. Let's not waste any time. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join us on X. Please be careful with A and the scammers down in the comments below. I'll never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email. So please be careful and invest safely. Guys and girls, let's get right into it. So as I said before, dog right now is at around 73 million market cap. Now yesterday we actually dipped a lot lower than 65 million market cap, which I'll talk about in just a little bit. But why is dog up? Well, it could be the fact that Bitcoin is also quite back up significantly. It's up 3.8%. Right now it's 75,000 US dollars, which was actually a major breakout for just Bitcoin itself. For Bitcoin to break above 73,000 US dollars, it broke out of a downtrend, which is actually kind of interesting because I don't know if this is just going to be a short-term rally, but nonetheless, this is very positive. Let's go over to the meme coin sector. Now, overall, meme coins are going to react very positively to this. I mean, we have Pudgy Penguins up 8%, SPX up 6.71%, Dog Whiff Hat up 4%, Bartcoin up 11%. But like I said before, look at what happened to Dog. Dog is up almost 14%. Remember, it was below 8coin just yesterday. So we had a significant increase in volume that happened in the past 24 hours. And we're right below Toshi. This could happen really quickly. This is just how crypto is. Now, where did that trading volume occur the most? It occurred on Gate.io. This is just over the past 24 hours. So as you can see, Gate.io has the most trading volume, and I can tell you this was due to market manipulation, which I'll talk about, but Bitcut was second and Kraken was third. So again, I just want to remind everybody, you got to pay attention to who's commenting in your comments. Now, there are more bots that are targeting dog. So basically, if you're typing in dog and you're bullish on dog, you'll notice that in your comments, there are people with like random digit numbered usernames and X handles that almost sound pretty much human, right? Why would I continue to waste my time and money with dog? Find out it was a bot. And this person was claiming that, you know, dog is never going to hit a $1 billion market cap. It's a dream. And it's also a bot as well. And it's just so strange that these bots are just so smart and sound so human. And they almost know that dog never hit $1 billion market cap. Yet these bots are targeting dog. And I'm just wondering who's paying for it. So somebody wants people to sell their bags by looking at their comments and feeling fearful and just getting scared. So there's a reason why this is happening. And not only that, look at this. So yesterday, I noticed something. And I already brought up yesterday, the Binance Ghost wallets and all their intermediary wallets that are manipulating the dog price. Well, guess what? Yesterday, after that video was published, I started to notice something, is that we saw that Gate.io and many of these other wallets were actually recycling dog tokens, meaning over here, it all started over here, ending in a wallet called EAE9. Now this had an outflow of 120 million tokens, which was sent to this address. But check this out, it was tied into 3 other addresses that were tied into the inflows of these specific wallets. It's all a neural network, meaning that this was Binance. Remember, Binance uses Gate.io to leverage trade any specific token, because we found out yesterday that these wallets were connected to a Binance Ordinal gas supplier, which is connected to their Binance Ordinal hot wallet. And this is why I think that right now this is all orchestrated, and there's no coincidence that dog is up right now, because this was faking the amount of trading volume, making it seem like there was retail capitulation when it was not real at all. So it was recycled liquidity. It all went back to those same wallets. I mean, just look at this. So yesterday, remember this red stick right here, this is when I exposed the Binance Ghost wallets. And sure enough, after that day, the green candle that happened here, this was actually red at the time, it has a sharp wick. This is a wick with a short candle. Now, the reason this is important is because this was actually a coordinated event by Binance to work with these different exchanges like Gate to use leverage trading, and then all of a sudden you see all these other order books on other exchanges like BitGet, Kraken get their orders filled, both orders for buying and selling. And what happened was we saw a major dip to around 54 million market cap for a very short period of time. Now, I'm sure that there were a lot of order books that were buy orders that were fulfilled. And what happened was we saw the dog price immediately retract and went back up, and now we're above that 73 million market cap. Now, we've been trying to get past the 73 million market cap for quite some time. You can see all these different candle wicks have been touching it multiple times, but we just finally broke out of it. But the thing is, what we need to see in that candle wick is we need to see a daily close of it. So meaning, this green candle needs to close above it today. If not today, maybe tomorrow. If we can get more candles to close above a 73 million market cap, then that means there's a high likely chance it'll return back to an 81 million market cap resistance level, right? Because we need to have more green candles above it. And this will be a resistance level, and the new 73 million will be a support level. But nonetheless, this is all coordinated. This is all to fake retail capitulation. Look how DOG is outperforming other meme coins. I mean, DOG on Gate is performing 7% to the upside. DOG on Kraken is performing 9.28% to the upside. Pengu is down 0.04%, SPX down almost close to 1%, Bonk almost down to 3%. Same thing with Floki. And now if you look at DOG to SPX, DOG is up against SPX by 7.77%. DOG against Pengu's price is up against Pengu 9.32%. So DOG right now is actually doing quite well, all due to that market manipulation that we just saw yesterday. Oh, by the way, DOG is outperforming Bitcoin by 6.44%, as you can see here. So that's actually quite interesting. It was a major breakout. So we'll see how long this lasts. Right now, it may hover right below it, but this can change by the end of the day. And I think this is all just part of that market manipulation that we're seeing. And they may continue to do it because who knows, they may try to list DOG for Binance Alpha listing. This may be in the future. That's just what I see happening right now. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm very bullish on DOG. I show up every single day for the specific token. I don't get caught up in the emotions. I just follow on what data says, right? None of us were scared of the whole retail capitulation that was completely faked out because we were able to see on-chain data that all these different wallets were linked to specific market maker wallets, Binance Ghost wallets, and Binance intermediary wallets. They're all tied in together. It's not just like retail selling, because they're not. Long-term holders is above 79%, which is, again, amazing. These long-term holders within DOG are accumulating and hodling, and I see it on chain. I see you guys on X. So just keep doing it. Just keep holding. Let these manipulators do what they want to do, but nonetheless, they can't fake out a bull movement for meme coins, because if there's a meme coin bull run due to what Bitcoin's doing, then DOG for sure is going to capture a large percentage in gains. This 13% in the past 24 hours and the 39% ever since the capitulation yesterday to around 54 million market cap, that's nothing. If anything, you're going to see bigger gains once we hit a bigger bull market for meme coins. Remember, Bitcoin meme coins have never seen a super cycle yet, but we've seen it for Solana, Ethereum, and BNB. So Bitcoin meme coins is next. So I want to thank our sponsors C2 Blockchain and Trucker Biff. Make sure to smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to join us on X to receive all of our alpha calls and updates regarding DOG and Moon. Till then, see you guys girls next time.